Hi friends, this video shows what is HDMI CEC and how to use it. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to display and sound, select HDMI CEC. See, right now HDMI CEC has been disabled in this TV. Let me enable. Just press select button on the remote. Done. So we can enable this option HDMI CEC in TV. Then connect other devices like sound bar or other devices to the TV using HDMI cable. Then in other devices like sound bar, you have to enable HDMI ARC. After that, using a single remote controller, we would be able to control all these devices: TV, sound bar, then set-top box. All these devices we would be able to control using a single remote controller. That is a feature. We can turn on, off, adjust the volume, change the program. All these activities we can control using a single remote controller. So you can try this. So this way we can enable HDMI CEC and control all devices with a single remote controller. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.